So welcome to this tutorial on how to use the blog post planner. I'm going to take you through and show you some of the ideas behind it and how to best use it. So this is the cover page, and obviously there's just some front matter. This lets you know that it's formatted for the Hub Notebook system, so that if you want to use the Hub Notebooks, and there's a tutorial right here that shows you how to do it, you can have one notebook that contains a bunch of other notebooks and all the tabs work throughout all the notebooks. So we have that system. I'm going to switch over to my laser pointer. And here's the tutorial that we're going to be recording right now. So now if you click the home button, it takes you to this page, which is just a quick spot to drop handy notes. That's why I like this page. You'll see that in almost all my planners. It has a spot where you can email me if you have any questions, a quick link to the Etsy shop, quick link to the website, and then also a link to the how-to. There's a bunch of GoodNotes tutorials over there to help you if you get stuck on some different questions. So then if you click the year tab, you come to this year at the glance. Now there's only one page here. The idea is that you will plus the page whenever you want to have more of it. I'm trying to keep this planner a little bit condensed as far as the file size, because Etsy only lets you upload a certain file size. And with 12 tabs and multiple pages in each tab, I'm trying to keep the file size manageable. So you can start with whatever month you want, and then just use that plus page to add more pages and write in the dates. So these are undated, so you can put in whatever you want. And you're going to put in your theme. So maybe it's seasonal. Obviously, like at the holiday time, you're going to have certain themes, but you may have a summer theme, or you may have a health theme, or something that's going through your blog. And then here is a chance for you to write in basically the topics that you're going to cover in that month. So you have a theme, important dates. Maybe if there's a holiday, you want to make sure that you have a blog topic that addresses that holiday. This is a chance to give you that high level view. Then on the next page is your ideas. So if you click the ideas tab, this gets you to this page. And this is just to jot down ideas as they come to you. Maybe it's ideas for a blog post or ideas for a theme. And it's just a blank page. Again, you can use the plus sign to get more of these, but it's just a place for you to capture ideas and then check them off as you've incorporated them into your blog. The next page, if you click on that, is for your titles. So every time you do a blog post, you might want to come up with several title ideas and then circle the one that wins. So again, multiply this as many times as you want and just jot down headline titles, title ideas, and just keep going and going and going until you get the best title, circle that one. Then you could clear the page and start over, or you can just keep adding pages. So this is just a brainstorm page for whenever you want to add a title. The next tab is the Notes tab, and again, this is just for things that you want to capture, and you can insert this page into anywhere you want. You could also insert the titles page into anywhere you want in the planner. So as you move into January, here is your January. These are all going to be the same, so if you click on any one of these, it'll take you to the proper month. And then you have here 4 links to the 4 weeks. So this is a checklist so that you kind of don't miss a step. So you can write your topic here and then mark off each of your different steps of creating your blog post. And then if you click the link in each one, it'll take you to this. So you'll see week 1 corresponds. So if you're to click week 1, you'll go to week 1. If you're to click week 2, you'll go to week 2. And that's how you know which post you're on. So you can put your published date. If you have categories that the blog post you want to be assigned to, you can do that here. Again, your winning title from back here. And then keywords, these are always important. Make sure that you've sprinkled those throughout your post. Maybe subtopics or points, so point 1 that you want to make, point 2 that you want to make, point 3 that you want to make. Always have a call to action. What do you want someone to do after reading your post? And it may be that you want them to go to another post that you've done, or some other links, maybe to purchase something. So this is just a quick high-level view of what this post is going to be about. So you're going to do the writing in your actual blog platform, but here you can outline the high-level view of what that post is going to be. And so there are 4 of these for every month. So as you go through, you'll see up to week 4. And then we have a new month, so here's February, and here are your weeks again, and your topics and your checklist. So again, at any time you can go back and you can add in different pages. You can go back to if you go to the thumbnail view, anytime you want to add a page, like say you want to add title ideas, you can duplicate this page and then drag it. So if I duplicate it, there it is, and now I could drag it, say I wanted it right here. Let's say I wanted it behind January week 1. So now if I go here, click on that. So here is January week 1. Oops, I dropped it, I'm sorry, week 2. So I wound up dropping it week 2. So here's week 2, and here's title ideas. So at any point you want, you can go to this thumbnail view and you can drop in extra title pages just like this here. You can drop them in anywhere you want. And if you don't want it there, move it to the trash. And that title ideas page is now gone, and you're back to the regular post layout. So that's how you add these pages in without adding a lot of bulk to your planner as far as getting the download to work on Etsy. So if you have any questions, again, go to the Home tab. And at any time you want, you can send me a quick email. I am happy to answer your questions. So have fun. I hope you have a great year planning out your blog. And again, you can do these in any order, so you don't have to start in January. If it happens to be July when you start, just start using July and then come back through the year as it goes. Have a great day.